Welcome back to CNR Reviews. E-Rock and Coltrane here with the next edition of the review of the CNRs. We are doing a review on this Gloco headlamp, right? It's a
belt buckle.
It's a rechargeable headlamp that is very bright, and it's got a bunch of different settings. You can see right here. But nice strap. Everything seems really durable on it so far. We have not tried it out yet, like actual
No, we have not.
in use for working with it or whatever. But everything seems really durable. The front plastic seems really durable. But we got this in the in a recent battle box. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll have a link in the description, and you can see the unboxing of that. But it's a really nice, well-made, seems like well-made headlamp. It's got a bunch of different features on it, like little pegs down here for protection and for this hinge. It seems pretty durable. It's got two buttons on top. The one, like I cycled through earlier, it has the single lamp, then the outer ones, which are super bright, and then all of them together, which is extra super bright, and then the red, and then the flashing, and then off, and then this other button turns blue in the middle when you activate it, and that is a sensor. So if your hands are dirty or messed up or whatever, you can just wave your hand in front of it or wave your arm or whatever, and it works really well.
Yeah, it does. And
that's very useful. And also, you never change batteries in it, unless you had a problem with the battery, I guess. But it is rechargeable with a mini USB. And it comes with that cable. I just don't have it right here right now. But it does come with that cable in the box.
Yeah,
really nice. It is.
It has a 4 to 20 hour runtime.
Damn.
Depending on how often you're going to use it.
Right. And how bright.
And it's a 2.5 hour charge time. 3.7 volt, 1200 milliamp LiPo battery. USB,
adjustable strap.
The USB recharge actually does have a light indicator, or an LED indicator.
Does it?
Yeah, telling you when it's charged and when it's not.
Awesome. That's good to know.
Yeah. This is a 500 lumen headlamp.
All right, so I'm gonna try out this light out here. It's dark out, but I'm standing right next to this back light. Behind me, you can barely see the shed over there. That's pretty good right there. Man, that thing's bright. Now that's a single beam. Goes pretty far. Look at that. And when it gets dark at night, don't even turn your lights on. Just use this.
And just keep the sensor mode on, so it's not actually on.
Yeah.
And then just oh, it's getting dark. Lights coming out. All
right, guys. That's it for the Gloco headlamp.
Yep.
And so we're looking forward to using that.
So you go check out that video if you haven't seen it on the unboxing.
We'll see you next time, guys. Appreciate you.